My name is Adriana Korek, and I am the events planner for SeatoSky Mountain Bike Race. SeatoSky Race was founded in 1991 in Pemberton, British Columbia. We have been the #1 mountain bike race event organization for the past 10 years in Canada. The 2021 race will be held in the mountains of Squamish, British Columbia at Coho Park on the long weekend of July 1st to 4th. The trail is a distance of 80 kilometers with an exciting trail of technical sections like steep rocks, technical descending, and many more. We encourage riders of all skill levels to join us on our exciting Canada Day long weekend event. We want everyone to feel welcomed and to have a great experience with doing what you love. Register to ride along with well-known mountain biker athletes like Kay Courtney, Aaron Gwynn, Charlie Harrison for a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. What are you waiting for? Don't miss your chance. Register today to join the race at www.SeatoSkyRace.com.